Hi everybody, this is one of the apartments I've seen. It's a 2-bedroomed house located in a place called Gishungo. Yeah, this is the sitting room. As you can see, it's spacious with a very good balcony outside here. Here you can also put some outdoor seats if you are really looking for that. And then you can see this is the sitting room, very, very spacious. So this is a 2-bedroom house in a place called, you said it's called?
Yeah, it's called Gishungo.
Oh, Gishungo, yeah, Gishungo, yeah. So this is the kitchen, the main kitchen. Yeah, it seems to have some inbuilt cookers here. And some marble kitchen tops, as you can see. These are the kitchen faucets. I like the stainless steel that has been put here. Very, very good finish. Yeah, you can check on the cabinet, and then this is the this is a chimney. Here you have the cooker as well, inbuilt cabinets. Yeah, so here are the cabinets, also the drawers. Here's where you can put your things. And then again, it has a large balcony here, together with the sink. I think here is where you can do your laundry. Seems to be located in a very, very good surrounding. So you can also see outside there. The window is well secured, everything. Yeah, this is the laundry area. So when you come to I think this is the master bedroom. You can see the cabinets there. And then the cloakroom is there. It also has another balcony outside here, as you can see. Very, very good finishes. I like how they did their windows. So now we are entering the washroom. Yeah, looks also in style as well. That is the bathroom. Looks also inbuilt. Yeah, you can see the faucets, the water there. And then this is the toilet. Now this is the master bedroom. It has the cloakroom inside as well. Okay, if I open here, you can be able to see outside where the parking is. We are on the second balcony. Oh, it looks very, very spacious. Now that is the compound where people can park their vehicles. Yeah, this is now a master ensuite. So I'll walk you now to the second bedroom, which is this one. Oh, okay. This is now the corridor where you can also still do your cleaning in the morning. So this is another toilet. This is the second toilet, but it is separate from the bedroom. So as you can see, this is a smaller bedroom. Yeah, this is a much smaller bedroom. It's well designed as well. You can see it's like the place is not fully done, but they're getting almost there. Now this one does not have a balcony, but you can see the view. It's very, very good. So now that is how the 2-bedroom apartment looks like. Yeah, now I have Ian with me here. He's going to direct us to other places. So show me the open one, the one you're talking about. Okay, do these apartments have a lift?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, because I can see the elevator will be here. Okay, it goes like how many floors? 6 floors.
Up to 6 floors, plus the rooftop.
Oh, plus the rooftop. Okay, does it have like is there a swimming pool or something like that? There's no swimming pool. Okay. I think I would like to see that as well. The rooftop is how many floors up?
Going up from this one, we are the first floor.
This is the first floor.
This is
Okay.
the first floor.
Okay.
So you
Oh, kids playing pool. Okay. So it will have a casino. Or will also be at the rooftop. Oh, okay. Okay, they open.